Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Sandeep and today we are going to learn about Nepali numbers. Nepali Anka. In Nepali we say Anka. So let's start with 1. 1 means ek. 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 मलाई एक कप चिया दिनुस्. के तपाई मलाई एक कप चिया दिन सक्नुहुन्छ? मलाई एक कप चिया दिनु. Please give me 1 cup of tea. Let's say 2. 2. 2 means 2. उहाँसँग दुईवटा किताब छन्. 2 दुईवटा. She has 2 books. Okay, let's say 3. 3. म बिहान 3 बजे उठ्छु. I wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning. म बिहान 3 बजे उठ्छु. Like this. Okay, let's say 4. 4. 4 means 4. We walk together with 4 friends. हामी 4 जना साथीहरु सँगै हिँड्छौं. 5. Let's say 5. 5. 5. Repeat again. 5. There are 5 people in my family. हाम्रो परिवारमा 5 जना सदस्यहरु हुनुहुन्छ. हाम्रो परिवारमा 5 जना सदस्य हुनुहुन्छ. Like this. Let's say 6. 6 means 6. 6 means 6. I bought 6 apples today. मैले आज 6 वटा स्याउ किने. 6 वटा. 6. Okay. Like this. Let's say 7. How to pronounce 7 in Nepali? 7. Like 7. School starts at 7 o'clock. विद्यालय 7 बजे सुरु हुन्छ. हाम्रो विद्यालय 7 बजे सुरु हुन्छ. 7 बजे. Okay, 7. Like this. Let's say 8. हामीले 8 दिनसम्म यात्रा गर्यौं. हामी घुम्न गएका थियौं. 8 दिनसम्म यात्रा गर्यौं अनि भर्खर फर्केको. 8 दिनसम्म. Like this. 8. Pronounce 8. Let's say 9. 9 means no. This is no. 9. Okay? 9. No. मेरो सानो भाइ 9 वर्षको भइसक्यो. 9. 9 वर्षको भयो. मेरो सानो भाइ 9 वर्षको भइसक्यो. 10. Pronounce it again. 10. She has 10,000 rupees. उनीसँग 10,000 रुपैयाँ छ. उनीसँग 10,000 रुपैयाँ छ. Like it. 10. Okay. Like this. Okay guys, thanks for today. Today we learn about Nepali numbers. Hope you understand. And I will repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Thanks for watching. धन्यवाद.